Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am here with my husband Pete, my niece Leah, and my niece Ariq. Recently I did a video of a fruit roll-up wrapped pickle, and I wanted to do the Gushers or Skittles afterwards. I don't have Gushers yet. We kind of finished them, me and Pete, and well, Pete finished them, and we decided to do some Skittles today and some gummies. We have some extra gummies from some candies that we ordered or that we bought recently. I'm also going to use a new Chamoy little bottle. Originally, I've seen people mix regular Chamoy with powdered sugar, but apparently this one is already sweet, so it doesn't need the powdered sugar and it's easier. Shout out to my friend Stephanie, who recommended this bottle for me. It was at a local Mexican candy store. We are going to use some Tajin, and I want to put some candy powdered right there, just to make it a little sweeter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some Skittles. Pete, you wanna open this up? Sure. Pete and I are gonna go ahead and do one together, and then the girls are gonna do one by themselves. Just kind of have our own. What's that? Anything?
You guys get a lot.
Yeah, have some more. Make sure you have some forks, and all you'll need is, let's put it here. All you'll need is 3 to 4 drops.
Thank you.
Bless you, Mama. 3 or 4 drops of the chamoy, because apparently yeah, that's it. And you mix it. Mix it all together, make sure they all have them. I'll do 3 on yours. Make sure they all have.
You need more.
No, I did it yesterday. You don't have to soak them up in the chamoy. All you want them to have is to do is kind of make them.
I guess make them tacky, right? Like,
or something, and then
sticky.
Just kind of mix it. And then, all right, so you're gonna use your fork, mix it together. Keep mixing it, so they all have some chamoy in it. Ariq is done with hers. As you can see, they don't have. You can barely tell that it has any. So the chamoy is pretty much so you know. So the chili powder can stick to it. Kind of mix them together. Keep mixing them. And then here's Leah's. Keep mixing it. And we'll put some more. Is it good? Nuggy? Tasty?
see, I like more, picked up more of it.
The red one tastes good.
That's the best one, the red one. That's what I was trying to get, taste all the flavors, but the red one was the best. He didn't use the regular pack of Skittles, he used the purple one, which I think it's a tropical flavor.
That actually gave him an extra little pop on the flavor, especially on the red one. So we do recommend using that one. I mean, yeah, maybe mixing those with the regular ones would be good. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it here.
Is buy the sour Skittles too, and like if you really want it to be soury.
We should try the sour ones.
Yeah.
I didn't think about that.
We should try.
Well, we have a little chamoy, so we can always make for later.
And the Gummy Bears. And the worms.
So I'm mixing the gummies. I don't know if maybe the gummies are gonna need more chamoy than the Skittles. Yeah.
Because these gummy bears are kind of like, I don't want to say waxy,
but they're waxy.
They have like a
texture
layer
to it. Yeah.
They're not bad, but they just have a different little texture to them.
I feel like it's when you infuse them like in alcohol.
Like gelatin.
Oh yeah, like jelly.
Like a jelly instead of like chewy.
before Pete and I moved here, and before we got married, we would eat these at the apartment. But they were different. It was different the way we made them, right? We would just put kind of chamoy, like a lot of chamoy.
We didn't put all that stuff that they put in.
Not all that stuff. No, it's just chamoy and that's it. But these look really good, actually.
Your mouth's watering over here.
Is it?
She's drooling.
I feel like this is, as far as homemade snacks or chili powder snacks, this is the easiest thing to do. If you're maybe craving something salty and sweet at the same time, and you have all these ingredients at home, it's the easiest thing you can do. And just when you're done, maybe just pop on the refrigerator or put them in little. Everybody puts them in little canisters or little jars.
They're mason jars.
Yeah, like mason jars, and that's what you keep them in. I'm gonna make some more for the girls so they can take home in the little mason jars. Anybody want to taste the gummies? Gummy. Now, as far as the gummies, you guys, and the Skittles, what do you think, guys, like better?
I like the Skittles.
The Skittles more?
The gummies.
Okay, everybody show your gummies and your... I can put this on the side more, that way. So this was, this is it.
To let them dry before you can
yeah, I would suggest let them dry, or we suggest let them dry, because the ones that we've had, they're obviously they've been there maybe like, 1 or 2 days. So definitely let them dry, let the chamoy dry, and it'll give you a harder and better consistency on the candy. But overall, we love them, and we will probably continue making more of these for us to just have here. Let us know if you are gonna make some. If you do make some, make sure you tag us, and so I can check them out, maybe on Instagram or Facebook. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to get a notification every time I upload a new video. Everybody say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.